Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has rated Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.52. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but currently reflects no change, sitting at a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned in the midst of a very wide and strong upward trend in the short term. An indication suggests that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 15.9% over the next 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 0.83% to 67.76%. When we consider the longer term, our analysis for the next 12 months forecasts a projected change of 178.77%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 124.15% and 305.98% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $203.89 and $369.28. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Palantir Stock Price After Friday Trading. The Palantir stock price gained 4.09% on the last trading day, Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, rising from $87.39 to $90.96. It has now increased for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a small break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.83%, with a low of $84.46 and a high of $91.07. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 7.13% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 115 million shares changed hands for approximately $10.5 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $125.41, while the lowest price was $20.33. Currently, the price is 27.47%, or $34.45, below the 52-week high of $125.41, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies has been making headlines recently, particularly with its newly released Artificial Intelligence Platform, or AIP, which has positioned the company well in the fast-evolving AI landscape. As of March 21st, 2025, Palantir has secured over 660 deals worth at least $1 million, contributing to a remarkable 272% return over the last year. However, concerns about its high valuation and increased competition could temper investor enthusiasm, potentially leading to short-term price declines. Additionally, news of a partnership with R1 to launch an AI-driven lab for healthcare financial operations has been recognized as a potential catalyst for increasing stock value. Despite these promising developments, analysts have issued cautious assessments, with one maintaining a sell rating and projecting a price target of $60, indicating a possible downside from current levels. Palantir's stock has recently experienced a significant drop of around 30% from its all-time high of $124.62 in February. This sharp decline raises questions about sustained investor confidence, given the heightened competition within the AI sector. In the longer term, Palantir's ability to navigate this evolving landscape will be critical as it balances impressive growth with mounting investor apprehensions around valuation. The interplay of these factors suggests a mixed outlook for the stock, as it contemplates both recovery and potential further volatility in the months ahead. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 5th of March, 2025, it was reported that William Blair assigned PLTR a market perform rating with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities rated PLTR as a buy with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies also assigned PLTR underperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Palantir stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a buy. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, and these may influence the short-term outlook. The Palantir stock currently retains a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it may encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $94.92. Conversely, in the event of a decline, support is anticipated from the short-term average at $85.94. A breakout above the long-term average could trigger an additional buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would produce another sell signal, thereby reinforcing the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 27.01%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 24 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 50 days ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was observed 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 16 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal appeared 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was present 201 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 189 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're looking for more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir is seeing support from accumulated volume at $90.68. This level might present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $6.61 between its high and low, which is a change of 7.83%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. An exceptionally high PE ratio indicates that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 13 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can have a substantial influence on stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at 103.83. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at 90.68. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let us examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Cohen Stephen Andrew, who bought and sold 1,270,604 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 39.656. In total, insiders acquired 4,546,820 shares and divested 10,527,229 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $85.96, reflecting a decline of 5.5%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 23 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not consider these sufficient to label it a buy candidate. At its current level, it is more appropriately viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been revised since the last evaluation, upgrading the conclusion for this stock from a sell to a hold or accumulate candidate. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 24th of March, we anticipate that Palantir will open lower by $2.13, starting at $88.83. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.